Executives are responsible for making decisions that can make or break a company. Yet they have little time to dig through and make sense of data sitting in spreadsheets and databases. To lead well, they need accurate, up-to-date business performance information at their fingertips. Many companies have leveraged MicroStrategy Mobile to build analytics apps for their executives that integrate financial and operational performance data from multiple systems all in one mobile app. Here's an example of one such app, the CFO Dashboard. On the home screen, I have a view of some key financial metrics that I need to monitor closely. Let's dig a bit further into the latest financial performance information. In the segment performance section, I have the ability to filter by different lines of business, but let's stick with total corporation for now. I quickly see that net income is not performing up to forecast. Using annotate and share functionality, I input a comment and email the screen to a senior VP of FP&A so we can discuss in more detail. I take a quick look at the visualizations at the bottom of the screen and move on to review trends. Here I can dig into balance sheet information, view assets and total shareholder equity information related to liabilities, capital, and funding, as well as funds flow information to identify any unusual activity that may indicate an irregular expense or change in customer sentiment. I can also review what interest rate my company is paying in different categories over various time periods, and leverage mapping capabilities to drill into headcount, expense, and revenue information by location. Next, I move on to the financial position section, where I can analyze credit by various risk classes, adjust provision for credit losses, and see how the change impacts net income, ROA, and ROE. Now, I compare the internal risk ratings of my company's portfolio to expected historic returns to ensure we aren't taking risks in areas that will generate the same return rates as lower risk areas. And I can even check out the latest trading desk activities and performance. Finally, I leverage an EPS simulation to explore how changes to pre-provision operating margins, shares outstanding, and tax rates could impact earnings per share. As a CFO, my MicroStrategy app provides me with all the data I need to make informed decisions that positively impact my organization.